everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss a next topic, that is the Python operators. So in the Python operators, if I'm talking about, so there are few type of topics we are going to discuss: arithmetic operator, relational operators, security operators, logical operators, assignment operator, and ternary operator, special case of operator. So these are the operators which we are going to discuss in this topics, right, one by one. So first is arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are those operators that is based on the mathematical, like plus, minus, right, division, modulus, percentage, square. That is like a mathematical operations. So Python provides, there are sets of operators: arithmetic, relation operators, comparison वगैरह, and then logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, special operators. So these are the like additions, mathematical operations, right? So if I'm talking about the arithmetic, so that is the arithmetic like additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, modulus, and floor division operators. So and exponentials. So now coming to this arithmetic operators. So if I'm talking about these arithmetic operators, so these are the some of the examples. So suppose that a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. So if I'm doing the a plus b, a minus b, plus the addition, subtraction, multiplications, divisions, right? So these are the some of the examples based on the mathematical operators. These are the modulus based on the remainder, right? What is the remainder? These are the square, means that is the power of exponentials. These are the arithmetic operators. There are some more examples on the arithmetic operator, that is the division, double divisions, right, float division, and this is the full. So suppose that if you have an integer, right, and divided by any number, so it will always give you a float number 5.0. If you are dividing with the double slash, right, so that double slash will give you only the integer, right, not the float number. So always remember what is the floor division, what is the normal division. Normal division will give you a float number, but floor division will not give a float number, that will give you only the integer part. Now if you have the even float number, if I'm going to divide it with the division and even the floor division, that will always provide the float number. If you have any value which you are going to divide that having the float number, then it will always give you a float number in the output. But if you have an integer and you are dividing with the integer, in that case float division with division will give you an integer, but normal division will give you a float number. So this is the questions which asked in the interview also, so let's remember this part, right? Now coming to some of the additions. So additions with the different data types. Suppose that if you want to do the arithmetic operations with the string data type, with the integer, so it is a not possible. Different data type cannot be do the additions. Either it should be the string, either it should be the integer, then only the addition can be performed. Okay, similarly if I'm talking about the multiplication operators, so multiplication operator will be work if suppose that you have the 8 strings and you are going to multiply with the 10, it means that this star, this is multiplication, we will work as a repetitive operators. Okay, so multiplication will act as an repetition operators if it is a string integer, and addition plus operator will work as an concatenations if it is a strings. Okay, so for example, let's see, if I'm going to add Dinesh, okay, Kumar, right, so it will do the concatenations, right? If I'm going to print, if I'm going to print this value, right, so it will do the concatenations, right, it will add both of the string data type. Now if I'm going to do the addition 10 plus 20, both are the string data type, so it can be also possible, right? Now in this case it is working as in sum. in the string format it is working as an concatenations. Okay, so always remember addition operators plus operator will be work as an concatenation based on the string data type and addition based on the integer data type. Okay, but if you want to add any number with the string, suppose that you want to add Dinesh with the integer, it will not be a possible. Okay, it will give you an error, that type error. Correct. Now coming to the multiplication operators. So multiplication operators will be work if suppose that you have a Dinesh and you are going to multiply with the 3, right? If you are going to multiply with the 3, in that case this will be work as an concatenations. Concatenation means as many number of the time it will be going to, sorry, repetitions. So this Dinesh will be repeat 3 times because this is the multiplications. Now if I'm going to multiply with the 3, it will do the multiplication. Now the output will be the 9. Got it? So if same data type it will multiply, if different data type like string and integer, correct, so in that case it will do the repetitions. Clear? Now coming to this next object, next example, suppose that if you are going to multiply string data type with the float number, so it will also give you an error that repetition only can be happen in the integer multiplication, not the float multiplication. So this is the invalid, this is the type error. Now if similarly if you are going to multiply with the string, with the strings, this can also be not possible in the Python, because we cannot multiply with the string to strings, we can only multiply with the integer to integers. Okay, so these are the some of the concept in the string data type, sorry, not in the additions and multiplication operators. So I hope you understand this concept. So now we are going to meet in the next topic with the relational operators. Okay, thank you so much.